I guess some people frown upon it, but if I want recruiters to see me and I have a clearance, I need to tell them that. So I personally do it, but I can see why people do frown upon it. Somebody said, I got an internship for GRC and an IAM for the summer. What should I expect? How do I make the most of it? Learn as much as you possibly can. Just like I was telling my man over here, learn as much as you can. Absorb as much as you can. Make sure you document everything that you're doing. This is another thing I didn't tell the other guy. Document everything you're doing, because you will forget all these awesome tools that they're going to teach you. You're going to forget some of the techniques. Like if they teach you how to do a plan of action, a milestone, or an action plan, understand how it's done and then document it, because you want to put this on your resume and on your profile that you know you have experience in the organization to do it. Another thing is document everything, the tools. Okay, skill sets. Any kind of skills that you are actually doing is gold. Any kind of experience, hands-on, get as much as you can. If you can work extra, if they will allow you to work extra hours, they will allow you to stay overtime, not paid overtime. I'm talking about, look, the experience is better than the money that you're going to get right now. All the experience that you're going to get will make you way more money in the future than any dollar amount they can put on an hour. So if you can volunteer to work extra time, then do it, because all of that time, everything that you're learning, that you're documenting, all the skills that they're teaching you hands-on, it could possibly double whatever you're making now, double or triple whatever you're making now. Just experience putting it on your resume. So work as many hours for free if you can. So that's what I would tell you. The things that you want to learn are the exposure to frameworks, how frameworks work. Like when they start telling you about NIST 853 or NIST CSF cybersecurity framework, or PCI DSS or HIPAA or whatever framework or rule or regulation, those frameworks apply to an organization. In the application of those things, that is what you really want to learn. The tools that you use to do the work, also awesome. So learn as much as you can. Do free work if they allow you to. Stay long hours. Everything you're doing is going to be worth its weight in gold. Let me see. I heard it's IT auditing. Hopefully it's not mad boring. Man, if it doesn't matter if it's boring or not, all that boredom is going to make you money. But boredom, think about this. Boredom equals money. Boredom equals money. If you're the more bored, the more boring and hard it is, and you master it, it's the more money it's worth. I'm not BSing you. The reason why I'm paid and I can work from home is because I'm doing some boring ass stuff nobody else wants to do. Everybody wants to hack or do networks, and that stuff way more fun. I can tell you that much. Cloud, all that stuff's way more fun than what I'm doing. But what I'm doing is paid. So learn as much as you can. If it's boring, learn even more of it. The more boring it is, learn it even harder. Go even harder on the boards, boring stuff. Let me see here. More questions, more comments. I'm going through. Let me see here. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. I'm seeing all the book sales and stuff. It's really helpful for the algorithm. I'm gonna have more for you guys watching me on a regular basis. I have more stuff that I want to give you, more things that are coming, that I'm working on.